How to create a group chat on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a group chat on the iPhone. It's super easy, and in just few steps, you will be able to chat with your friends and family all at once. So without further ado, let's get started. So start by opening the message app on your phone. And once you are in the app, look at the top right corner and tap the pencil and paper icon to start a new message. Now, in the to field, you will need to add the people you want in your group chat. So start typing their name, phone number, or email address and tap on their contact when it pops up. Repeat this process for everyone you want to add. And before that, always remember you can only add up to 32 people in a group chat. And now you have added all your contacts. Just type your first message in the text box at the bottom, and once you're done with that, simply hit send button. And congratulations, you have just created a group chat. Now, let's take it step further and customize your group chat. Tap on the group name or number of a participant at the top of the screen. And from here, you can add a group name by tapping Change Name and Photo. You can also assign a fun group photo, emoji or memoji. You can add or remove people from the group and even mute notification if you need a break from all the messages. And with this, there you have it. Creating and customizing a group chat on the iPhone is easy. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.